Hello guys, my name is Maria Simonelli and I'm going to talk about biological theories of aging. Why do we age? The natural process of changing in the body and its organ system over time is known as biological aging. This process eventually affects our functioning but do not necessarily result in disease or death. However, we frequently associate sickness with aging because as we become older, our immune system and organ function decrease. Our immune system makes us more vulnerable to illnesses such as dementia and heart attacks that may increase incidence with age. The foundation of metabolic theories is the notion that each person is born with a certain amount of energy that can be used at a rate that is specific to them. The idea of this theory is that the rate of creature's metabolism is related to how long it lives. For example, it's stated that some research indicated that reducing the number of calories people eat may increase longevity. It is a pretty controversial theory because studies proclaim that these restrictions could well cause a drop in humans' ability to engage in the kinds of activities we would consider important for high quality of life. So now we're going to talk about changes in the skin. Wrinkling is actually a complex four-step process. So first, the outer layer of skin becomes thinner through cell loss. This causes the skin to become more fragile. Second, the collagen fibers that make up the connective tissue lose much of the flexibility, making the skin less able to regain its shape after a pinch. Third, elastin fibers in the middle layer of skin lose their ability to keep the skin stretched out. And fourth, the underlying layer of fat, which helps provide padding to smooth out the contours, diminishes. So now we're going to talk about vital functions, in this case, cardiovascular system. As we get older, our cardiovascular system begins to change. Our heart tends to beat more than 3 million times, pumping around 900 gallons of blood. One of the very first things to change as we get older is the stiffening of the heart muscle caused by tissue changes. By the late 50s, the fat deposits which surrounds the heart may form a continuous sheet. When the tissue of the heart is being replaced by connective tissue, it may cause stiffening in the valves and heart muscles. This affects the heart by reducing the amount of muscle tissue to contract. And just like cardiovascular system, there are multiple vital functions, just like respiratory system, autonomic nervous system, and psychological implications. This information given is just a small portion of what aging theories encompass. Aging is a human process by which all living beings will have to live. There are preventions and healthy habits to make this process arrive later, but it is a cycle of life and it involves much more things that we usually know. Thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed.